Hello, guys and girls, and welcome back. It's Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you want to go over there and listen to my music on Instagram. Yes, today we're going to be hitting you up with the Renko strategy. Now, me and Taylor have been going in depth about the Renko strategy, and he's going to show you how he turned his account to $7,000 or £7,000 in a space of, I believe it was 2 to 3 days. He managed to do this. I'll put the testimony at the end of the video so you can see. But he will tell you the strategy on how he was able to do this, and also there will be a link in the description to a Google Drive which will also show you how you can do this strategy yourself using Pip Hunter, Pip Hunter Momentum Extreme, and Pip Hunter Trend Scout. So yeah, without further ado, we'll head over to the video, and I hope you guys like this one.
Let's go. This is the method for 2-hour Renko charts using the Pip Hunter system alongside the twin range filter. The twin range filter can be found by searching twin range filter, and it's by Colin MCK, and it adds the long and short signals onto the chart.
I'll put a link for that in the description down below anyway, so that should be good for them.
Yep, and what I'm showing you is a simple strategy based off of 2-hour Renko candles, and on the so this will be a complete method on roughly how to use it, what your stop loss conditions are, and what your entry conditions are. There'll also be a link in the description which gives you a full document showing you all the tested good pairs, back testing results, and what I'm saying, but as a checklist so that you can use it while trading live. So, what are the ingredients that make a 2-hour Renko trade, and where do you enter? Right, so you're going to need the Momentum Extreme to be the full color, which is the lime green or the pink. You're going to need Trend Scout to be the same full color, which is the lime green or the pink. You're going to need to be the correct side of the baseline being the EMA ribbon through the middle of the chart. You're going to need the matrix on chart set to weekly, and so that your label has appeared correctly. So in this case, we're looking for a downtrend. You're going to need a long or short signal that's the correct direction for your trade, which we've got here. And that's all you need. Where do you enter? You enter the first, you do need one of these pluses to be the correct way around as well. Where you enter is the first candle that becomes valid. So if we're looking for an entry, say we've started looking for an entry from this candle, no, yes. So we are entering here. Oops. We are entering right on this candle here. If I grab my short position, not that one, that one. So at the end of that candle, we had fulfilled all entry conditions. We'd fulfilled that one had just gone bright red. We've got the short signal, a red plus, and we're in a downtrend. So this is the first candle we could have entered. Your stop loss, there are two ways of setting it. Either you can set it to the previous high or low, or you set it as a trailing stop that goes in line with the edge of just past the edge of the EMA ribbon. So,
could you show an example of that, just using a horizontal line, just for everyone to see?
If I put that there for now, if I grab two horizontal lines, my stop loss options were just above there, or just above the EMA ribbon, which would put it there.
Yep.
And then you have entered, you've got a stop loss set, and then you literally just ride and wait until one of the following conditions comes up. Your following conditions for exit are one of these going the opposite way. So like here where it's dipped back out, that would be an exit condition.
Yep.
If you have a counter plus come up in your top bar, so that would be an exit condition.
A green one instead of a red one in this trade, basically.
Yep, if you had a long position come up, say there was like a long that red here, that would also be an exit condition.
Yeah.
And if you cross baseline, that would also be an exit position. And the last one would be if your trend direction changed. That would be your final other option for an exit.
Okay. I was going to ask a question. When you say it crosses the baseline, which out of the three lines are you describing when you say the baseline with the Pip Hunter, the matrix on, sorry, the matrix on
The
chart?
whole thing is considered the baseline.
The whole thing. So it has to cross over the whole absolute matrix on chart to the other side,
Yep.
basically. Okay.
So that would be a cross because it's come through, broken
Okay.
bottom, crossed across, and then it's crossed again there. And now it's not crossed again until it'll probably cross over here somewhere.
Okay.
So when you're in a position, you've got a trail stop that can be set just to the edge of the furthest away part of the cloud, and you just ride until you get a counter position, which in this case, our counter position was this flip down here, and that
Okay.
was your course to get out. So you were getting it. Whoops, that's not at all I want. I want the crosshair. So your exit position was on that candle there,
Okay.
which would have got you out for that many pips, which was 775 pips.
Wow. That's a good amount of pips.
The thing with 2-hour Renkos is they have such a large range to them that trade would have been not 2 hours or anything. That was 24 days.
Wow.
Trade.
But that's good though for a lot of beginners in terms of if you're using a 0.01 lot, you're a beginner. You don't want to overwhelm yourself with too much knowledge of Forex at first. Something as simple as this, just to be able to follow simple confluences and to leave that trade to run for a couple of days, good couple of days, almost a month. It will give you opportunity to watch how the charts kind of move in that sense, if you get where I'm coming from.
Yep.
Which is good, yeah.
And the other thing, so this is the document that I've put together for it. These are the tested good pairs. It's got how to make an entry, your take profits. So there's a hard take profit at 100 pips where we would take 50% of the position off and make sure stop loss is set to entry, and then leave the rest. But you're happy. It's got your exit conditions. Shows a couple of examples, which I've even annotated.
Excellent.
And you've got some backtest data as well. So you can look at the backtest data and see if there are any pairs that you don't want to trade or do.
Of course, so you can know which are the best. How was gold with this? Being my channel is a gold channel. How was gold with this?
I did trade gold. Let's see. There you go.
Okay, excellent.
So
Did it do well? Or
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades taken with it, and all 8 hit a minimum of 100 pips. So you would have taken 50% off at 100 anyway.
Okay, oh, that's good then. It seems like it did okay with it. It didn't do too bad. We know gold is being a sand snake lately, so you know how it goes.
And that's a test just for 2020. That does not include any data that wasn't formed. That was formed.
Yeah.
2019 and prior.
I think data could be better from before. As we know, obviously, coronavirus is causing a lot of hiccups in the market. So, yeah, okay, no, that's cool.
Across 18 pairs, there was a total of 23,625 pips collected, and that's just counting closed profits, not including the 100 pips.
Oh, wow.
Or anything. So if a trade hit 100 pips and then lost overall, that's ignoring the 100 pips you've collected.
Yeah,
so
oh, wow.
Closed values. The percentage hit rate for the 100 pips was 76%.
Yep.
And then efficiency, which is closed pips versus maximal pips, was 49.9%.
Okay. No, that's good. That's a good number. We can get that.
But yeah, your average win rate was 76%.
56%. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah.
And your average loss was so small that you've still collected pips overall. You haven't lost. So
Yeah.
you would always consistently be able to make with it.
And that was from January to today's date. I take it pretty much so.
That was from January to the 20. Oops, wrong month. To the 29th.
Of April, was it?
Yep, 29th of April.
Cool. No, that's good. I think they'll be excited to know this, especially, you know, continue to do one or two methods. You said your next one is a candlestick method, you said, just in case people are still not comfortable with Renkos.
Also, with Renkos, you can't set alerts, and that becomes a problem.
Okay.
Because if you want to have an alerted system that says, right, enter a trade now, close a trade now, then it's got to be on regular candles or Heiken Ashes, because Renkos don't let you put alerts to them.